Beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Hannah here. Today I want to share with you how to make some budget-friendly wall decor. I'm going to use items from the Dollar Tree, so this is going to be very affordable and easy to recreate. So if you're new here, thank you for joining us. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's jump right into today's video. Alright you guys, to complete this wonderful DIY look, you will need some popsicle sticks that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, 6 of these gorgeous glittered gold frames, you guys, they're beautiful. And you will also need 3 of these square mirrored coasters, as well as some hot glue and some adhesive bling sheets that you can also get from the Dollar Tree. So the first step we're going to do is to remove the backing of the frames. I am going to leave the white insert in there because I think that it adds to the overall look of this particular DIY. So we're going to do that for each one of these pictured frames. Now that we have all of the backing removed, we are going to just secure the white inserts to the frames by adding just a dollop of hot glue. This is totally optional if you decide to leave that white insert in there. If you did not, then you can just overlook this particular step. Now what I'm doing is just trying to figure out how I want to make my design. I'm just kind of winging it, you guys, and so I'm going to do a couple design options before I decide on the final design that I will use to create this geometric wall decor piece. Now that I am satisfied on the design of the wall decor piece, I am now trying to figure out where I want to place the mirrored squares in this design. So I'm going to play around with the mirrored squares now, and I'm trying to decide if I want to put it on as a regular square shape or the diamond shape. So I'm going to do that for a minute, and then once I have it all figured out, you guys, I am just going to adhere everything down together with lots of hot glue. I'm not going to use any permanent glue or anything like that. The hot glue is going to keep this secured because I'm going to use plenty of it, so I'm not worrying about any of that, and I'm going to secure the back of it with those popsicle sticks. So continue to keep watching so you can see how it all comes together, you guys.
Next level. Next level.
Just a quick reminder, make sure that you do remove the little black tabs from the bottom of the mirrored coaster so that it will sit level on this geometric design. Now I'm going to turn my design over and I am going to secure the entire unit using some popsicle sticks. Now these popsicle sticks, I just broke them in half, and you're going to need probably about 5 of them because I did add 1 or 2 more. So you're going to need about at least 5 popsicle sticks to secure the unit. And as you see, I'm just breaking them in half and I'm gluing them down with plenty of glue. And I'm adding them to the areas where they kind of joint connect. And when you're adding the popsicle sticks, you want to make sure that you're placing them in a area where they can't be seen from the front of the design. Alright you guys, so my favorite part of the DIY is adding some bling and making this piece glamorous. So I started to add a little bit of hot glue to help secure down this adhesive bling, and it is optional, you guys. I do suggest that you do this if you choose to. However, I was kind of in a rush trying to hurry up and go watch our latest TV show that me and my husband watch sometimes in the afternoons, and so I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna let this adhesive do what it does. But honestly, I have not had any issues with the clear adhesive bling for the Dollar Tree lifting up on me. However, the iridescent bling that they have at the Dollar Tree, the adhesive ones, they do seem to come up after the fact. So you guys can definitely decide whether or not you want to add some hot glue to the back of the adhesive. Totally up to you guys. But I just decided to go ahead and wing it and let the adhesive do what the adhesive does. So that is what I'm doing here. And I'm also going to add 2 rows of the bling, and then I'm going to show you guys the finished look of this DIY. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did creating it. And let me know in the comment section what you think. Will you recreate it? Do you think I should do at least 2 styles or what? But anyway, you guys, I love you guys so very much. Thank you so much for continually supporting this channel. Don't forget to thumbs it up, share this video with everyone you know, share it on your social media so it will help our channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so. All right, you guys, love you to the moon and back. Peace, love, and blessings, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.